industrial asset management industry, keeping assets running smoothly while minimizing downtime is a serious challenge. Unexpected equipment failures lead to operational interruptions, financial losses, and safety risks. At the same time, traditional condition monitoring methods demand extensive manual work and advanced technical skills. To solve these challenges, we have introduced anomaly detection to SAP Asset Performance Management. This feature uses advanced AI and real-time IoT sensor data to identify potential issues before they escalate. It simplifies operations, transforming raw data into actionable insights for optimal maintenance scheduling. It's designed with reliability engineers in mind, a role crucial in ensuring optimal operational uptime and efficiency. Plus, it doesn't require in-depth knowledge of data analysis, which makes it accessible to everyday business users. The implementation of anomaly detection automates the process of recognizing inconsistent sensor data patterns, reducing manual data inspection significantly. This automation, combined with alerting functionality, warns users about potential machinery issues, leading to optimal maintenance scheduling, enhancing asset reliability and life, managing maintenance costs, increasing productivity, and reducing downtime. Replace extensive manual work with smart, skillful solutions. Reduce your maintenance costs and increase your profitability and productivity with anomaly detection and SAP Asset Performance Management, revolutionizing maintenance and reliability.